The first product I'm using is the Milani Green Goddess Hydrating Facial Mist. This facial mist makes my skin feel super nice and hydrated before putting on makeup. I also always carry one in my purse for makeup touch-ups. For my primer, I am using SPF BFF by Milani. I like it because it's super smooth and I love having that SPF protection. Next, I am applying my foundation with a stippling brush. I use the Stay Perfect by No. 7, which also has SPF 15 in it. As you can see, I'm really blending that through with circular motions to avoid any foundation lines. For my concealer, I am using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Today, I'm just using it to brighten up my eyes and highlighting facial features. I'm going to go back in with that stippling brush to really blend it out. After that's blended through, I'm going in with the Walgreens Microfiber Blending Sponge. I like this beauty blender because it picks up the product nicely and has that flat teardrop shape. I am using the Airspun Loose Face Powder to bake, making sure the product is nicely distributed. I usually contour first, but while I'm waiting on my face to bake, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Matte Butter Bronzer. Still waiting, so I'm going to take a 5-minute coffee break. Once my break is over, I'm going to go through and blend everything out with a large blending brush. I have a lot of red pigmentation in my skin already, so I tend to stay away from blushes with red or pink undertones. I love these peachy blushes by L'Oreal. I always blush up to give a nice facelift. Once that blush is on, I am highlighting with Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. Next, I am going to give my eyes a natural look using the products I've already used on my face. First, I am using the bronzer to contour my eyes, blending out the crease and the outer part of my eyelid. Next, I am using NYX Glitter Primer in my inner corners to make the highlights super pigmented. You can also use setting spray to get that pigmentation to really come through. I'm going back in with the Butter Highlighter by Physicians Formula in the inner corners to brighten up my eyes. 10 out of 10 always makes my eyes look so much more awake. Of course, going in with my new favorite mascara, L'Oreal's Air Volume Mascara. For my brows, I use Archery by Soap & Glory. I start by brushing them out and then applying where it is needed, and of course brushing them out again to make sure the product is nicely blended with my own brows. Last but not least, I'm going in with Milani's Make It Last setting spray to set that look. And this is the finished result of my makeup routine. I hope you guys liked it.